breaking news coming in. The ED is carrying out searches at multiple locations in Mumbai. Now, this is in connection with the PMC bank scam. This is the news that we are picking up at the top of 11:40, where the ED is conducting searches in multiple locations in connection with the PMC scam. The ED is conducting searches on the Viva Group with relation to the PMC bank scam. The group is supposedly owned by Bhai Thakur. The ED has found money trail between Praveen Raut and the Thakur family, and the Thakur family has 2 MLAs in the Maharashtra Assembly. This is a news that we are picking up. My colleague Alisha is live with us. Alisha, important developments that we are picking up. ED is conducting searches on the Viva Group in relation to the PMC bank scam. The latest developments that you are picking up on your side.
देखिए बिल्कुल ईडी की ओर से पीएमसी बैंक स्कैम को लेकर जहां पर ईडी की ओर से पीएमएलए के तहत जहां पर सर्चेस जो है अब मुंबई के कई इलाके पे चल रही है, और न कि सिर्फ मुंबई पर जो रेड चल रही है, जो सर्चेस चल रहे हैं वो खास तौर पर वीवा ग्रुप पे, क्योंकि ये पता चला है कि वीवा ग्रुप के ओनर जो है भाई ठाकुर, जो कि ठाकुर फैमिली ही वीवा ग्रुप के, फिर चाहे अन्य दूसरे होटल्स कंपनीज हो या फिर एजुकेशनल हो या फिर मोबाइल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हो, इन सभी को लेकर जो कंपनीज को जो ट्रांजैक्शन इंपॉर्टेंटली प्रवीण राउत की ओर से दिखाया गया। और ये प्रवीण राउत वो अक्यूज है जो कि ईडी की ओर से उसको गिरफ्तार किया गया था, और इस पर जो है लगातार इंट्रोगेशन के साथ चल रही है। और उसके बाद
Right, Alisha, stay with us as we address the more news coming in. We've got my colleague Shaban on the phone lines. Also, Shaban, important developments that we are picking up. We just spoke to our reporter Alisha, also who reported that ED is conducting multiple raids right now in Mumbai relating to the Viva Group in relation with the PMC bank scam.
Well, in fact, these are the second searches that are being carried out in the PMC bank scam, and these searches are being carried out by the Enforcement Directorate's Mumbai unit. As Alisha was also pointing out, that this is exactly with relation to a group named Viva Group, which is essentially owned by Bhai Thakur, is what we are given to understand. And these raids are being carried out at multiple locations in Virar as well as in Palghar. In fact, remember, these are the political links that are essentially emerging. This is essentially after the Enforcement Directorate found a money trail in Praveen Raut and Thakur's family. This is what my colleague Alisha has also been pointing out. But remember, Praveen as well as his wife, in fact, even Shivasena leader Sanjay Raut's wife has also been under the scanner of the Enforcement Directorate. This is pertaining to a suspicious transaction that has basically taken place between a company that has been directly owned by Praveen Raut's wife with that of a company that has been linked to Sanjay Raut's wife, is what we are given to understand. In fact, if you simply go by what has been put on officially by the Enforcement Directorate, is that some amount of money that was basically loaned to Sanjay Raut's wife, that too without any collateral, is what we are given to understand has now come.
Right, those are both my colleagues Alisha and Shaban who are getting us the latest developments that were coming in, where the ED is searching in connection to the PMC scam, multiple raids taking place in Mumbai. We continue to track this story for you.